y'all doing today? We are back in the lab. It's Power Curve Motorsports, Socks Egyptian Ninja. I am up in the lab, man. We got so many toys in the lab today. So what we are doing today is we got a classic, man. Yeah, we got this classic right here. We about to change the oil in it. It's got a blown coolant hose right here. Customers put some duct tape on it, man. We gotta get that up out of there. So we about to strip this thing down, drain the oil out of it, get that hose on there. Stay tuned, because we got more coming. All right, so we got this thing loose. We are now trying to get all the electrical tape. The owner put on here as a patch. Yeah.
At the top of the wall, trust issues are bubbling away too.
You have to keep it high power during if she sees that you're doing well. Driving. Good. You gonna try it? My choice are right with
We have taped the wire on.
Because I can't go down the lane.
So
Jasmine does her best to reassure Eugenie she can trust in her.
But she's on that edge.
But next to go is Callum and Jamie. For young Jamie, the wall represents his greatest fear.
The quicker you do the better. Really, you can't do this. Hover around, scared. I know you're done it. I'm gonna say it's not really gonna get any better. So do it.
Jamie lives near Glasgow with his mum.
So we got the coolant hose out, and the water pipe looks old, like the bike. So let's see if we can get this new one on here, no issues. Brand new, straight out of Partzilla. It's part number if anybody needs it. So we got a little bit that goes here and there. Doesn't look like it needs to be done. I just need to clean it. Wow! Okay. All right, so got the oil in it, got the coolant hose in there. Didn't look like it was leaking. Is it leaking? No, that's not leaking. All right, so it's not leaking, and it's all together. I'm gonna put these fairings back on it, get it cleaned up, and this old bitch is back out in traffic. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you guys like the content, subscribe. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.